So today I'll be showing you how to set a reminder to change your AirTag battery. Now, since the AirTag does not show the battery level, it only gives you a notification when the battery is low. Then you can go to the reminder app on your iPhone and set a reminder to change your AirTag battery. So since the day you set up your AirTag for the first time, you want to set a reminder exactly 1 year later. So you come to the reminders, set a new reminder. Let's call it change backpack AirTag battery, just like that. And then you want to set the date. This is very important. You want to turn on the date, and assuming I've set mine up on 21st March 2026, you want to go to 21st March 2027. So just keep scrolling. There you go, 21st March 2027. You want to go to maybe around 20th, just like that, and then set that date as the date you're going to change your AirTag battery. You can even set it out 2 weeks before, okay? And then you can select a specific time. You can even add an alarm to that. And then once you're done setting up, just tap on the check mark, and that's going to remind you to change your AirTag battery before you get caught out and it's too late. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.